What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Detached Garage. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Sean, and this channel is all about helping you guys plan, design, build, and upgrade your garage. If that sounds interesting to you, please consider hitting that subscribe button. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about the topic that you guys picked for our next episode to be on, and we're also going to be talking about the 2019 Detached Garage Apparel Giveaway. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Detached Garage, guys. Let's get right into it. 2 episodes ago, you guys voted on what you wanted this September 4th episode to be about. I gave you the options of my Audi A6, doing a review on that, building in stages where you might not complete your garage all in one building permit and how to go about doing that. And the third one was getting to know me better. I'm sure you guys have gotten to know me quite well if you've been watching the Garage Beers podcast, which was the last episode we put out.
So he's like, oh, could you tell the story about how the Escort got all dented? You remember this? So they...
Yes. So recapping your car history, let's just go through that to bring everybody up to speed.
I had a lot of cars.
You did have a lot of cars. You had the F-150.
Yep.
But you guys voted and you wanted this September 4th episode to be about building in stages. And unfortunately, it is not going to happen today. I have some questions out to a few experts in the local Milwaukee area about building in stages. I'm learning a lot as I go here, and a few of those experts haven't gotten back to me yet. So I really want to make sure this is accurate and informative and helps benefit you in your garage build. Because I know that I'm going to have to build in stages as well, because I will just not be able to cash flow the garage the way I want to and do everything all at the same time. And by the way, it's a garage build. It's never done. It's going to keep going. So anyways, we will have that episode coming out for you next week, a week from this Wednesday. And so I will get that edited, filmed, and get that taken care of and out to you guys a week from today. The next item we're going to talk about today is your chance to win some of this Detached Garage apparel. I've been getting quite a few messages about, do I have a store? Do I have something online? So I just decided, you know what? We are going to expand our social media reach, and we are going to make sure there is as many awesome garages across the world as possible. And to do that, we need to reach some more people. So 3 easy steps to win this gear. Tomorrow, September 5th, I'm going to post on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And what you need to do is make sure you are subscribed to YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. That's step number 1. Make sure you're subscribed to all the social media. Step number 2 is to tag 2 people in each of those posts across all 3 social media platforms. So make sure you're tagging people there. And then step number 3 is to share that post with the hashtag DetachedGarage2019 giveaway. 3 simple steps. Subscribe to all the social media, tag some people in that social media, and share the post. That's all you got to do. We will be doing a drawing, and I will be randomly selecting 3 people from across one from each social media platform. Once we hit 500 YouTube subscribers, we're at about 213 right now, I'll be going through and searching for that hashtag and picking 3 people from random, 1 from Twitter, 1 from Facebook, and 1 from Instagram, who have used that hashtag Detached Garage 2019 giveaway. I will check to make sure that they've followed the rules and that they've shared all posts, or that they've shared the post across all forms of social media. And then I will be reaching out to them via direct message to get their t-shirt sizes, to get their hat sizes, and we will go down that path to get them hooked up with some awesome gear. So if you have any questions, throw them down in the comments below. I can't wait to get this next video out for you guys about building in stages. I think it's going to be awesome, and I think it's really going to help not only myself, but a bunch of you guys out there to plan your garage build and to plan it in stages. So, thanks again for watching Detached Garage.